Welcome back to the channel, your primary destination for large format 3D printer reviews, CoreXY motion breakdowns, rapid prototyping guides, and print farm management teardowns. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at one of the largest high-speed consumer FDM machines available, the Creality Ender 5 Max 3D printer. For makers, cosplay creators, and engineering shops that need to print massive single-piece models without cutting STL files into multiple glued segments, typical desktop printers fall short on physical build area. The Creality Ender 5 Max addresses this bottleneck by combining a massive workspace with CoreXY speed. At the core of the Ender 5 Max is a massive 400 by 400 by 400 mm build volume. Built around a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum frame with a rigid CoreXY structure, the gantry relies on precision linear rails to maintain tight mechanical accuracy across its 64-liter build chamber. Movement is powered by dual high-torque 4276 stepper motors on the primary motion axes. Capable of reaching top movement speeds of 700 mm per second with an acceleration of 20,000 mm per second squared, it slashes hours off print jobs that normally take days on traditional bed slingers. Feeding filament reliably at high volumetric speeds is a direct drive extruder with dual hardened gears. Capable of handling temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, the hot end prints standard PLA, flexible TPU, high temp ABS, ASA, nylon, and carbon fiber composites with ease. First layer adhesion across a large surface area is critical. The Ender 5 Max uses a 64-point automated bed leveling sensor to generate a detailed height map before printing. Paired with an energy-efficient flexible epoxy build plate, completed models pop off easily once cooled down. Thermal performance is driven by an ultra-powerful 1000-watt heated bed. Reaching 80 degrees Celsius in just 200 seconds, the rapid heat-up time cuts down waiting periods, while dual motorized Z-axis lead screws keep heavy multi-kilogram models perfectly stable. Workflow management is integrated over local Wi-Fi and USB. Using the Creality Print software suite, you can manage multiple Ender 5 Max units across a production farm, monitor job status via an optional camera, and track printer states using the visible 3-color status indicator light. Featuring a 400 by 400 by 400 mm build volume, 700 mm per second CoreXY speeds, a 300-degree all-metal hot end, 64-point auto leveling, and multi-printer WLAN control, the Creality Ender 5 Max delivers large-scale production power. If you enjoyed this Creality Ender 5 Max review and hardware breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What massive project would you print first on a 400 mm bed?